Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Mazda MX-5 RF Sport Nav. This car comes with the more powerful 2-litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 158 brake horsepower and returning up to 40 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 28 and this is a 3-owner vehicle, having covered just over 41,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is the metallic machine grey and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the first owner chose the two factory options that were available when the car was brand new. So this includes the safety pack, which includes the blind spot and the automatic main beam, and then also the Nappa Tan Leather, which I think looks really nice against the grey paintwork. And the front seats are also heated as well for the winter months. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then another few features I can mention. The car also has climate control, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you then have your electric mirror and front window controls. Opening the tailgate, you have the clever button hidden underneath the bumper there to reveal a good sized boot there for a small roadster, ideal for a weekend away. And you've also got your tyre inflator kit there at the back. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 17-inch gunmetal grey alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.